In the realm of iconic motorcycles, the Harley Davidson V-Rod stands as an enduring symbol of power and style. From the bustling streets of New York to the tranquil lanes of Basingstoke, this beast commands respect and admiration. Its legacy, rich with roaring engines and gleaming chrome, is a testament to Harley Davidson's unwavering dedication to quality and performance. The V-Rod, birthed from a unique collaboration between Harley Davidson and Porsche, represents a significant shift in motorcycle engineering. It's the first Harley to feature a liquid-cooled engine, a revolution that sparked a new era in the company's history. And today, we turn our attention to the 2004 V-Rod, a classic model that still holds its ground in the modern world. When inspecting a used V-Rod, it's crucial to approach with a keen eye and a meticulous hand. Start by examining the bike's overall condition. Look for signs of rust, damage, or excessive wear. Pay special attention to the tires. They should be free of cracks and have ample tread left. Next, inspect the engine. A well-maintained V-Rod should start easily, idle smoothly, and run without any strange noises. The exhaust should be free of excessive smoke, and the cooling system should function without any leaks or issues. Now, shift your attention to the bike's history. Request maintenance records and verify the mileage. A low-mileage V-Rod may sound appealing, but if it's accompanied by a lack of maintenance records, you might want to reconsider. Also, ensure all parts are original or quality replacements. The V-Rod, much like a fine wine, is best enjoyed in its original condition. That said, quality aftermarket parts aren't a deal-breaker, but they should be factored into the bike's overall value. Once you've conducted a thorough inspection, it's time to negotiate the price. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the V-Rod and its condition, the better equipped you are to secure a fair deal. And finally, owning a 2004 Harley Davidson V-Rod is not just about the ride, it's about becoming a part of a legacy. It's about the thrill of firing up that liquid-cooled engine, the pride in preserving a piece of motorcycle history, and the joy of riding through the scenic roads of Basingstoke. In summary, buying a used V-Rod requires a meticulous inspection of the bike's condition and history, coupled with a keen understanding of its value. It's about negotiating a fair price and embracing the responsibility of maintaining a classic Harley. And above all, it's about the sheer joy of owning and riding a V-Rod, an experience that is in itself a journey worth every mile.